have the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of October for you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and jump in. They do send me this for review purpose, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. They don't send a card, and I don't know what goes in what. Last month somebody was like, oh no, that's not from the Glam Bag, that's from the Glam Bag Plus. I go based on what's inside this bag and what's inside the box. They don't give me cards and they don't give me like anything to go off of, so I'm just kind of like guessing. Most of the time this bag is closed, so I just think that whatever's in here is what's going to be in the Glam Bag, and whatever's outside will be in the Glam Bag Plus. So I'm sorry if I mess up or anything. I'm literally going in blind. Also, I didn't have enough time to do another try on. I did this for my other unboxing, so I'm just going to be unbagging these and showing you guys what's in here. So I thought that the bags were super cute. I love this one. Halloween is my jam, and this little like biting the lips and their freaking vampire lips is amazing. Love the little vampire teeth, just super cute. And then what makes it even cuter is that the handle to the zipper is actually like this lipstick that's green on the top. Just love that. So I think that I will definitely be putting this into my like bag to carry like little like a mascara or little things that I take with me to work. I think that this is definitely, this is so my aesthetic, my jam. I love this. Okay, so we are gonna start off with the Glam Bag, and like I said, love the little baggie. And the first thing in here is the Viseart Petite Pro, and this is the shade Un. It just says UN, Un, and it comes with various shades. I think I might just give this away because it's a neutral palette and I have so many. But look how cute. It has a lot of neutrals in there, and then it has 3 shimmers, and these are really cute to kind of give pops between the gold, the orangey tone, and the purple. Really beautiful little palette, especially for traveling or for someone who's starting out. So I'm gonna give this to actually someone who is starting out in makeup, and I told them that I was gonna start putting some things to the side for them, so I think that they will really enjoy this. And Viseart, their brand, like I have full on palettes of theirs, love it. Their brand is so freaking good. The way it blends is amazing quality. They are pricey. Like if you weren't to buy like one of these mini ones, their bigger ones I think are like $80 each. So yeah, it's a little pricey, but definitely amazing quality. The next thing in here is the Farah liquid lipstick in the shade Cocoa. I'm also going to give this away because I actually own the full size. I love these matte lipsticks. I actually did a video once for TikTok, and I love these because they are like liquidy, so it gives you enough time to really put them on your lips, to really like do like, and they don't like dry to the point where it looks like cracked and ugly on your lips. I freaking love this formula. It is amazing. So very excited to see it in Ipsy, and this little mini size is amazing. Next thing in here is the Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream. I love this cream and have been dying to buy it again, but I have so many primers and so many creams that I'm like, no, when I use more stuff up, then I'll buy it. So I am so excited to have it in here. I love the way, oh, you can't hardly smell it right now, but this has a really natural, like clean, not natural, it has a nice clean smell to it, and I really enjoy it. It also leaves the skin really hydrated and dewy and beautiful, and I love this stuff. So it is very pricey, but it will leave your skin so supple, so good, so especially if you have drier skin, amazing. Next thing in here is the M2U NYC Eye Primer. I've never used this eye primer, but I already have like 7 eye primers open right now in my drawer, so I think I'm going to give this one away. It looks like it is a natural tone eye primer. And then the last thing in here is the Gold Faded MD Dr. Scrub. This is a microderm exfoliator. And yeah, it's just like a little mini size. It seems like the really tiny crystal scrubs to scrub your face with. As far as the Glam Bag Plus, the bag is the same with the vampire mouth on here. Just super, super cute. I like the little one a little bit more, but this is still really cute if you're into like Halloween and those vibes. I think it's just so cute. First thing in here is the This Works 24-hour skin solution. This is a rose water and mint infused pads. So apparently there's little pads in here, and you massage the pad all over your face to remove dirt and makeup. And then the next thing in here is the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. This is the Selfesteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Let me see. Okay, so this looks really cool and promising. We shall see. Let me just take a little sniffity sniff and see. So it does have a really strong smell to it, so we will see. Let me see what it's in here. It says it's an overnight treatment. It has anti-aging, amino acids. Oh, no wonder it smells like that. It has glycolic and salicylic acid and ascorbic acid. So I think that this would be really good for someone who is suffering from acne, just because it also has the salicylic and glycolic acids in there. But you might not want to use this every single night, just because some of those acids can be pretty strong on your skin. Next thing in here is the Sugar Rush Tarte, and this is a black eyeliner, just a simple black liner. Next thing in here is the Butta Vitamin C Serum. I probably will give this to someone because right now I have like 3 vitamin C's that I'm using, but it's really good that it's in a dark bottle. That way it conserves the properties of the vitamin C, and it says that it has an antioxidant rich formula combined with the vitamin C to refine your skin and improve the appearance of dark spots. Next thing is the Il Makiage Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. Do I have one of these open? So I will be using this. I don't want to open it just because it'll dry it out faster. And if you guys saw my story on Instagram, then you already know, like, I have so many freaking mascaras that I need to use as fast as possible. I will show you guys. Look at that. That's ridiculous, right? So I am going to keep this one closed so that way when I throw one of those away, I can replace it with this one and try out the Il Makiage. But I really like their brand. Their eyeshadow palette from last month is freaking amazing. Super buttery, super pigmented. Love that quad from them. The last thing in here is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. Murad is known for their brand being a great skincare brand, and I can imagine that this is no exception. So this is the Renewing Eye Cream, and it is ultra nourishing eye cream, hydrates and targets signs of aging, and it has peptides and retinol. And then in here is a little handkerchief. It's like a satin one. I'm not sure what this is for, but I'm thinking that maybe I could use this for my hair. I think that it would look super cute. It's like a pink satin looking, and it actually has the brand's name over here in the corner, Ipsy. Or maybe like to tie it around like a ponytail. I think that that would be really cute. So this I just finally found the card. So this month is Pretty Wicked, and I really feel like they did a really great job. I don't know why, and this has happened the last few months, I like the Glam bag more than the Glam bag plus. I don't know if it's me. Let me know which one is your favorite. I just feel like there's more like makeup mixed with skincare, like a lot of brands that I really enjoy. Don't get me wrong, like I like good skincare, like a lot of these, like this Glam Bag Plus, it has 4 skincare products and then just 2 makeup. But I don't know, the Glam Bag Plus, between the Farrah lipstick, the Tatcha, it also has the Viseart little palette. I feel like it's more of a winner to me. So let me know down below which one was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you like unboxings or beauty videos, definitely subscribe down below. That is what my channel is made for. And yeah, I also have social media, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.